How to send a group text message on an LG phone. Group text messaging, or sending a text to multiple recipients, is quick and easy with your LG phone. We'll show you how. First, tap on Messages. Then tap on the Start Chat button on the bottom right. In the To field at the top, type a contact name or phone number if the contact and number are saved in the phone. Then tap on the contact name and number when it pops up below the search bar. Do this to add all the desired contacts to the group text. If you're sending to people that are not saved contacts, type in a phone number, then tap on the arrow to the right of the search bar. Repeat this for all the desired recipients. Now tap on the Enter Message bar above the keyboard. Enter the message you wish to send, then hit the Send icon in the message bar to send it. Replying to a group text message is easy too. To reply to a message, tap on Messages. Then tap on the thread you wish to respond to. It will show the contact names or phone numbers. Now tap on the Enter Message bar above the keyboard. Enter the message you wish to send, then hit the Send icon in the message bar to send it. Your message will be sent to all recipients. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.